So this is project analysis. IMED 2313 project analysis and design. Module 4, we're going to look at some of this project analysis tools and techniques that we're going to do with it. So to get to this video, all you need to do is click on this instruction video. That's how you got here with it. I'm going to talk to you about a few things that we'll cover for this with it. So understanding the concept and framework, and one of the things that we're going to do, because there's a lot of tools out there people use with it, and due to time, we're going to do probably the only is the SWOT analysis with it, which is the strength, weakness, and opportunities and threats analysis to one of these things. We're going to use Figma. This is the other tool with it as well. So I sent out you should receive an email before or after this video for your invite to the Figma chart with it, and you would actually fill it out with it. So anyways, do read through this right now with it. I define each one of them. This is the one I'm going to focus on, is this one here. And if you're doing any business classes, you got to understand how to do a SWOT analysis with it. Everything else, depending on what major and what degrees you get into, and the depth of the understanding that you get into for it as well with it. So again, the tool exists, and definitions for the tools with it as well. There's thousands of other informations out there that demonstrate these analysis with it as well. So I don't want you to give you the wrong information for the other three assessment with it as well. But the SWOT is probably the easiest one to learn with it as well. To learn this and how you would actually to prepare for this, is the best thing is to look at some of these case studies that we're going to be looking at with it. So in this case, we can talk about the Amazon. In this case, I want you to look at the Zara, the retail store in the mall. Okay, Zara in the mall with it as well. So we'll work on that as well with it. Hands-on practice, group collaboration. Again, the definition of the SWOT analysis with it. Go through this and read through this on your own with it. Like I said, it's pretty much self-explanatory what some of these stuff does with it as well. So here's the link to the Zara with it as well. So please take a moment to open this link up. You can, just probably hold down your shift key like I have right here. It turns into a palm. I'm sorry, use the control on a PC. See how my cursor turned into a palm? And I click on it. And I want you to open up that YouTube video and watch it. It's less than 10 minutes with it as well. So you probably need to watch that, and go to the board that you have on here with it. And you're going to actually go to the board and basically go through the whole case study and go and watch that. Fill this out with on the board. Now this is the part where I need for you to take the copy and screenshots by using this, the snipping tools with it. So in a PC snipping tools. So take the snipping tool like your past assignments with it. Just screenshot the section, the quarter of the panel with it. Make sure it's legible for me with it. Okay. And paste that in here as well with it. So that's the only thing about this thing is that you have to do with in this assignment is the SWOT analysis with it. The other piece, so this is the SWOT analysis from the invitation with it, and so this is the Figma SWOT analysis with it. I thought I modified this to what you're looking at with it. Hold on a second. So in the instruction, make sure you click on, after you get to Figma and everything, the invitation link with it, after you log in, make sure you click on the SWOT matrix. And I took a screenshot of it for you to take a look at. It looks like this, okay? So if you're in the browser, this is what you would click on, or else there's a blank kind of like a cover page to this before with it. So click on the SWOT analysis that you look with this as well. So again, please do the SWOT analysis on the Zara retail store. So that's the YouTube video that I asked you to look at for number 1 with it as well. So follow the instructions. in this. So do this video. You're gonna go to the mirror board, and you're gonna fill out the mirror board with the proper sticky pad with it as well. So going back to the mirror board in here with it, you notice the color that matches with it. So you use the appropriate color it comes in with it, or you can take a blank one and you could copy and paste it however you want to do this with it as well. Or if you want to click on another one in here with it and just drag it over to the right area, that would actually work as well. So any one of these things will work with it, threats, and just bring in the threats, keep it in the same color if possible with it, copy and paste with it as well. Let me Control Z, undo a couple of these stuff with it as well. Copy and paste, I made a lot of these things through copy and paste to it as well. So Control C to copy it and Control V to paste it, and you can actually change it and drag it out to another one with this as well. So this is the move tool, and some of the text tool you would use to type in all that stuff with it as well. So again, you're welcome to use some of the stuff and just play around with it. It's up to you with it as well. It's pretty much self-explanatory with it. Again, put your name on the sticky pad that you put in here with it, and take a screenshot of yours in here. And if I was going to do this as similar to the past that you did, the reason I have everybody do this is because everything is editable. So if I was going to do this, I would highlight that. And let's say this is my comment with it, so I'll just take this yellow highlighter, I circle it, that's mine with it, I copy it, and then I jump over to the Word document that I have, and then I just paste it in here with it as well. So it just lets me know that this is yours, and it just helps for me to grade as well. All right, so if somebody else went in and accidentally deletes it, you took a screenshot of it, and here it is with it. All right. So this concludes the whole module 4 with it. Like I said, it's I want to make sure that everybody have an experience to collaborate using a collaboration tool. Alrighty, thank you.